Hi first grade, happy Friday. Today is the last day that we're going to be learning about our money unit. So today we're going to be doing something very special, and we are going to look at some school supplies and figure out what you can buy. You are going to need coins for this activity, maybe some pencil and paper, all the usual stuff that we've been needing. I'm going to go through this worksheet with you, and then you're going to type your answers directly in this worksheet. It should look pretty similar to the one that we did yesterday on Thursday. So I'm going to read it to you. Again, the writing in black is in English and the one in red is in Spanish. So this is a story about my friend Ariana. I see you, Ariana, out there doing all your work, rocking it. Well, Ariana has been saving money all summer, and she wants to buy some things to prepare for second grade. What would you buy to prepare for second grade? Think in your brain. Those are all really cool things. Nice. Well, let's look at what Ariana wants to buy, and then we're going to help her out a little bit. So it says here, Ariana has been saving her money all summer. Her mother has allowed her to spend the money on school supplies. Ooh. Here are some of her favorite items and the price for each. So we've got a lunchbox for 50 cents, art supplies 75 cents, pencil box 25 cents, and a mechanical pencil for 45 cents. Those look cool. So it says Ariana has $1 to spend. So 100 cents, right? So $1, 100 cents. And she needs to figure out what she's going to buy. How many cents is $1? That's right, it's 100 cents. So it says select two items that she might choose to purchase. What is the total of these two items? Now yesterday we went through learning about how to add with tens and ones. We learned about how we could add with coins. So you can do either, but you need to figure out which two items Ariana can buy that's under $1. Part B asks for 3 items. So now you have to go back up and figure out which of these 3 items could she buy under $1. And then part C says, which items would you want to purchase for second grade? So now I really want to hear from you. What things do you think you need for second grade? And then it says, how much would the total of your items cost? So there are 4 questions here, and I want you to answer each question. Remember, you can write or type directly into this document because this is your document. So whatever you write in it, your teachers are going to get to see. Have a great Friday.